Hi guys, welcome to Clubmaths channel and thank you for joining with us here today and understanding today's topic. Uh, if you have not subscribed on our YouTube channel, please do it, as well as please do hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any update. Besides that, you can always subscribe to our website clubmaths.com for free training and free topics and different things that we do up there. So let's move further quickly and finish this topic. This is one of the important topic, that will help you understand. Maybe you've heard about this, and if you have done that also, there's no point of revising it. So today's topic is quadrilaterals. In mathematics, you will definitely listen quadrilaterals a lot, and then we think that what exactly it is, right? So no need to worry about that. And every figure that you have probably have seen, quadrilateral probably have touched them. So most of them, I will say, not all of them. So quadrilateral means, with the word quad, I figured out you know that what quad is. Quad means four. So what we are trying to do is, four means like any figure which has four edges, four vertices is quad. In mathematics, it's quadrilateral. So definitely in geometry and stuff, you'll definitely find these kind of things, and you have to understand this. So let's see and learn a bit about quadrilaterals and what all figures are quadrilaterals, and according to that, we'll touch a few more figures so that we'll know that what exactly they are. So, okay, and I may not draw the figure correctly, but if I assume it, then try to assume it. This figure, I'm saying it is a square, okay, and I'm assuming that all the sides are equal. What a square is, all the sides are equal and of equal length, equal size, and they all have they all have four edges. Sorry, I got distracted somehow somewhere. So let's talk about that quickly because this is four edges and four sides. And when I say square, if I have to draw a arrow somewhere, let's say if I draw an arrow here, let's say this arrow is going, in this direction, and then if I have to draw an arrow here, it's going in this direction. Then I have to draw an arrow here or here. And if I continue, putting this arrow further, let's say, this one goes in this direction, this one goes in this direction, this one goes in this direction. What I'm trying to tell you is if, regardless of the arrow is going in any side, if they are of equal similar length, right, it will be your square shape, okay? Similarly, let's talk about the rectangle. Rectangle has the opposite two sides of same length and same height. So these two, what I mean is like one should be equal to two and three should be equal to four. So one would be equal to two and three should be equal to four in terms of your rectangle. Okay. And let's see quickly. Now, tell me one thing, right? Is this quadrilateral? So you may say the answer is yes, but no, it is not, because we are talking about number four. Four edges, four sides, and it has only three. So it is not a quadrilateral. Even though this is very good circle, but it is not a quadrilateral. Now let's talk about one more figure, which is you have probably seen this figure, okay? And this is this. What we call this figure as? We call it as parallelogram. And why it is called as parallelogram? Because what you can see here, sorry about my handwriting. Let me try to see if I can write it properly. Parallelo. Oh, it's better than the previous one. And we'll remove this out of it. Okay. This is So with the case of parallelogram, right, all the opposite sides, these two sides, like 1 and 2, should be equal as well as they should be parallel to each other. 3 and 4. What I mean to say is like, if the arrow is going in this direction, the other side arrow should be going into the similar direction. Similar way, the arrow for the one, if it is going in this direction, the other edge, like for the side 2, the arrow should be going in this direction. It cannot go in this direction. Okay, so that means like parallelogram is the opposite side should be parallel, means like whatever direction they are going, the both the directions should go into the similar direction, like this. And if it is going in this direction, the other edge should be going out in this direction itself. It cannot go into the other direction. But yes, this is a quadrilateral because it has 4 edges and 4 vertices. So now let's talk about one more figure. Let's say this. This is not a figure, I didn't make it or a rectangle or anything, but this has 4 edges and 4 vertices. So yes, this is a quadrilateral. Now let's talk about, we touched on rectangle, square, rhombus. Let's touch about rhombus. Okay, let's see what rhombus is. This is your rhombus. So what rhombus is, you have to understand, okay? So it is a quadrilateral. First of all, it has 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And the other thing is all the edges should be of similar length. So 1 should be equal to 2, 2 should be equal to 4, 4 should be equal to 3, 3 should be equal to 1. So it is like a square, but in a sort of parallelogram, okay? But in parallelogram, it can be possible that, the 1 or 2 edges, the opposite edges can be of any length, right? But in rhombus, it should be of similar length and it should be of similar size. And arrow, like in square, right, your arrow can be, can go into any direction. Usually it is like, it completes a one whole cycle, like, like A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A, like that. Okay, so we will say that if we have to flow the arrow, then it will go from here. Now let me just rub this figure. It has got a little dirty here. So okay, let me do a clean one. 1, 2, oh, let's say 3, and this is 4. Let's consider that this all is equal in size, and this is rhombus. So it will be like, your arrow should be like following to each other as in a sequential pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the logic here is 1 could be equal to 4, 4 could be equal to 2, 2 could be equal to 3, as much as permutations you can put up here. But yes, this all constitutes of quadrilateral, and I hope you have understood this video and the simple logic about what exactly quadrilaterals is. If you have any questions or concerns about this, or you want to put up your thoughts, do feel to drop off a text and we will get back to you. Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day.